Have you ever run your fingers over a beautifully crafted piece of wooden furniture, admiring its smooth finish and intricate details? Do you find yourself drawn to the warmth and character of natural wood? Many people share this appreciation for woodworking, but what if you could turn this passion into a profitable side hustle? Imagine transforming a hobby you love into a source of extra income, all while creating beautiful and functional pieces. The beauty of woodworking lies not just in the final product, but also in its accessibility. You don't need years of experience or a garage full of expensive tools to get started. With a bit of guidance and a willingness to learn, anyone can turn scraps of wood into sought-after treasures. This essay will be your guide, showing you how to tap into the lucrative world of woodworking and build a thriving side hustle, one project at a time. Let's face it, who wouldn't want to earn extra cash doing something they enjoy? Woodworking offers the unique advantage of turning a relaxing hobby into a profitable venture. It's about more than just building furniture. It's about crafting a fulfilling side hustle that brings both financial rewards and creative satisfaction. So, if you're ready to turn your love for woodworking into a profitable reality, grab your tools and let's get started. Now that you're eager to start your woodworking journey, let's explore some beginner-friendly projects with high demand. These projects are not only easy to create, but also appeal to a broad customer base, ensuring a steady stream of sales. First on our list are custom dog kennels. Pet owners are always on the lookout for unique and stylish ways to pamper their furry friends. Building a sturdy and attractive dog kennel allows you to tap into this lucrative market. You can offer custom sizes and designs to cater to different breeds and preferences, making your products stand out from mass-produced options. Next up, we have rustic coffee tables. The rustic aesthetic continues to be a popular trend in home decor, and reclaimed wood coffee tables are in high demand. These tables are relatively simple to build, even for beginners. The beauty lies in their imperfections. Knots, grains, and distressed finishes add character and charm, making each piece unique. Finally, let's talk about personalized signs. These are incredibly versatile and can be tailored for various occasions and customer preferences. From whimsical welcome signs to engraved wooden plaques for special occasions, the possibilities are endless. With a little creativity and some basic woodworking skills, you can create personalized signs that resonate with customers and generate substantial profits. Remember, the key is to start with projects that align with your skill level and gradually challenge yourself as you gain experience. These 3 high-demand projects are just the tip of the iceberg. As you become more comfortable with woodworking, you can explore more intricate designs and expand your product line. Setting up a woodworking workshop doesn't require a huge investment. You can start small and gradually expand your toolkit as your business grows. Focus on acquiring essential tools that offer versatility and value for money. A reliable circular saw is a must-have for making straight cuts. You'll also need a jigsaw for curved cuts and intricate designs. A power drill is essential for drilling holes and driving screws. These 3 power tools form the foundation of your workshop and can handle a wide range of projects. In addition to power tools, invest in some basic hand tools, such as a measuring tape, a combination square, a hammer, a set of screwdrivers, and a few clamps. These tools are indispensable for accurate measurements, assembly, and securing your workpiece. As for your workspace, you don't need a dedicated workshop right away. Your garage, shed, or even a corner of your basement can serve as your initial workshop. Ensure adequate lighting and ventilation to create a comfortable and safe working environment. As your business expands and profits roll in, you can invest in a larger workspace or dedicated workshop. Remember, the key is to start small and gradually upgrade your tools and workspace as your skills and business grow. Don't feel pressured to buy everything at once. Focus on acquiring quality tools that will serve you well for years to come. Section 4, From Craftsman to Entrepreneur, your online marketplace. Once you've honed your woodworking skills and created a few stunning pieces, it's time to showcase your talent to the world. The internet offers a fantastic platform to sell your creations and reach a global audience. Creating an online store is easier than you might think. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even Facebook Marketplace allow you to set up shop with just a few clicks. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces to list your products, manage orders, and process payments securely. High-quality photos are crucial for attracting customers. Use natural lighting and different angles to showcase your woodworking projects in the best possible light. Write clear and concise product descriptions that highlight the unique features and craftsmanship of each piece. Don't underestimate the power of social media in promoting your woodworking business. Create engaging content that showcases your work process, highlights customer testimonials, and announces new product launches. Interact with your followers, answer questions promptly, and foster a sense of community around your brand. Remember, your online presence is an extension of your craftsmanship. Invest time and effort in creating a professional and inviting online storefront that reflects the quality of your woodworking. Section 5. The power of exclusivity, custom orders, and waitlists. As your woodworking side hustle gains momentum, consider offering custom orders to further elevate your brand and increase profitability. Custom orders allow you to tailor your creations to specific customer requirements, adding a personal touch that mass-produced items lack. Start by offering customizations on your existing product line. For instance, allow customers to choose the dimensions, wood type, and finish for their dog kennels or coffee tables. This level of personalization adds value to your products and justifies a higher price point. Creating a waitlist for your custom orders is a powerful strategy to generate excitement and increase perceived value. When customers know they have to wait for their bespoke piece, it creates a sense of anticipation and exclusivity. This approach allows you to manage your workload efficiently and ensures that every piece you create is crafted with the utmost care and attention to detail. Section 6. Proof in the planks, real results and inspiring stories. You might be wondering, can I really make $20,000 in 30 days with woodworking? The answer is a resounding yes. Countless individuals have successfully turned their woodworking passion into profitable ventures, and their stories are both inspiring and achievable. Take, for instance, Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who started selling handcrafted wooden toys online. What began as a creative outlet quickly blossomed into a thriving business, allowing Sarah to contribute to her family's income while doing something she loved. Then there's John, a retired teacher who always had a knack for woodworking. He started selling custom birdhouses at local craft fairs and soon found himself inundated with orders. John's story proves that age is no barrier to pursuing your passion and achieving financial success. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories in the world of woodworking. With dedication, hard work, and a solid plan, you too can achieve remarkable results. Section 7. Your journey to woodworking wealth starts today. Congratulations on taking the first step towards transforming your woodworking hobby into a profitable reality. Remember, the most important step is to simply begin. Start with a small project, master your skills, and gradually expand your offerings. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your experiences. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and every perfectly crafted piece of furniture starts with a single cut. If you're looking for a proven system to guide you on your woodworking journey, I encourage you to check out the Wood Profit System. This comprehensive program provides step-by-step instructions, valuable resources, and ongoing support to help you build a successful woodworking business. The world of woodworking awaits, filled with endless possibilities and the potential for both creative fulfillment and financial reward. Grab your tools, embrace the challenge, and start crafting your woodworking success story today.